Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Fit on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! In true Google form, Google Fit is intuitive and user-friendly, available on both Android and iOS. It compiles information from other health-centered apps and fitness tracker, giving you an overview of your daily and weekly fitness and sleep activities. So, what if you want to use this Google Fit on your Android? So simple. So first, you can just open your Google Fit, of course. So I just installed this on my phone. Now you can just continue with your email. You can enter your gender. You can choose who can see your gender. Only you or anyone can see, but I will just choose on only me. You can enter your birth date like this. You can also hide your birth date. If you want to highlight your birthday, you can change from only you to anyone. So uh, anyone can see. If you make your birthday visible, you can also choose to have it highlighted across Google service. For example, decorating your profile picture. But I think I'll just choose on anyone like this and highlight my birthday. Now you can just choose on save. You can go back. So we'll enter it again. You can confirm. Now we can go back. You can enter your weight. Enter your weight. You can change from pounds to kilogram. Tap on OK and you can enter your height. Switching to centimeter. Now OK. You can click on next. You can turn on the track your activities. So Google Fit can track walking, running, and cycling in the background. This means you'll get metric like step, distance, and calories for all these activities. You can just turn on. We'll turn on. Don't forget to allow. You can tap on next. Tap on next. So you can choose your daily goals in here. We'll choose this one. Now set goals. So here's your information about your activity. You can see on here. Here's your journal. You can add activity, another activity in here. You can see your body measurements, your vitals, and other. There's so much feature in here. You can also change your information. So that is how to use Google Fits on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.